we'll shoot the last question, which is like, what is the smartest step according to Chase, that somebody who's like on the fence and who wants to get started, like what series of steps he would recommend for them to go and to the extent like to get started, to find the clients for the long-term success, like what sort of steps he would suggest to the people at this point?
Yeah, the best way to get started is to just start within your own community, right? Your friends, your family, who do you know that owns a business, or head down to Main Street in your town and just start talking to business owners. Hey, have you played with AI yet? And see what they say, right? And what about voice AI? What about a chatbot? And just have conversations, right? Don't focus on selling. Just have genuine conversations, and you'll find business owners are going to say like, look, I know AI is going to take over everything. I don't know anything about it. I wouldn't even know how to get started. And then you could be like, cool, I'm actually getting started with an AI agency, and I'm going to start selling and helping businesses get set up in AI. Can I set you up for free? And if you love it, we can talk about how much it would cost moving forward. That's the way I would do it, is I would basically, or I'd have a demo and say, imagine this was your business. Let's call it. Let's see how it works. Cool. And then you get into, business owners will see the value, right? Once they see it, they're like, wait a minute. Oh my gosh, that could answer all my calls, or can it book appointments? They're going to start asking you questions like that. And you will find that you're not selling, you're actually helping businesses figure out something that they know they want, but they know that they'll never be able to do on their own. And once you set one or two people up, then you know how to do it, right? And then you have a new sense of confidence, and then it becomes way easier. But I always advise people to just start organically, go have real conversations. Don't pretend like you know everything. Don't try to sell somebody right off the bat. Literally just ask questions and be helpful. And through that process, the first 5-6 times, you're going to figure it out for yourself. And then you're going to be confident in it. And then you're off to the races, and you can really start, ramping up your prospecting and your sales.
Of course, that's the gold nuggets. And as Chase said, like once you have 1, 2, 3 clients already, you have the confidence that I have something to offer which is actually helping people, and it becomes rolling ball. Then you can just focus onto your big scaling target, and actually the result speaks for itself. Like this is the process people have been doing. It's battle tested. We are getting the best product being made from the high level, being updated continuously for the actual usage of the local businesses. So of course, like there is no reason that people miss out on this opportunity. Go out and, as Chase said, like the local community, and have an honest conversation rather than over promising things and stuff. Be real, be natural. People value the connection much more than, and then eventually once you have first few clients, and then it starts all over from there. Thanks a lot, Chase. Like we really appreciate your time with us, and we can't get enough of your videos onto the YouTube. Like I follow you everywhere.
So all right, I appreciate that. Well, thanks for having me, Abdullah.
Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, These exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people have seen they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
To further add to it, that you are even going to get access to this special mastermind group which I have created for the affiliate inner circle. That means all these people will be there in the personal WhatsApp group, so that it's easily accessible, easily anybody can type in their content, whatever that they feel like, and it's only available for the inner circle affiliates. The goal of this group is that people with similar goals move together, sharing each other the strategies and promoting each other to get the client, the best of the strategies that work to get the client. So basically this group especially for progressing towards getting the client, becoming that next SaaSpreneur. Having said that, this is apart from the 127 snapshot that you're going to get. This is apart from the one-to-one personal support that you are going to get with our expert and the WhatsApp group that I'm going to form. Now, the question is whether somebody who has who has already joined the Gohighlevel, can they have access to all these things and access to the mastermind group? Answer is yes. All you have to do is just enter our code AI bonuses into AI employee. How do you go there? Like, just go to your agency, click settings, click AI employee, manage offers, and then within field FP reference is equal to, just put AI BONUSES, AI bonuses, click apply, take the screenshot and send us to abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We will ensure to deliver you the entire snapshot set, the AI powered scripts to convert all the snapshot into AI powered, and the mastermind group access. And most importantly, you have access to me once you find your first AI employee client. I wish you guys all the best. See you there.